In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your TikTok account from your contacts. You can simply hide your TikTok account to people in your contacts list. To do this, simply open up your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines right here. Then select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, tap on the second option of Privacy. Then you will have to head into this option of Suggest your account to others. You will have to disable the first option of Contacts off. Your contacts with TikTok accounts won't be able to see your TikTok. You can also decide to disable these other two options off. You will have completely hidden your TikTok to people that may know you. That's how easy it is to hide your TikTok account from people in your contacts list with TikTok accounts. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.